Hi everyone, it's Shannon from houseimprovements.com, and this is day 6 of the bathroom vlog. I almost forgot to do this today, so I've already started changing the copper fittings down here for the sink and toilet plumbing. Pretty much have them in place, and the rest of today's agenda is to drywall the room, so should be a fairly quick day. Maybe get it drywalled and taped today. We'll check in a little later and see how we made out, but I think that's going to be the plan. Well, it's midday on day 6 here, and I'm just getting real close to being able to start drywalling the walls. Last final few things that I did and that I'm checking right now. Put in any blocking I needed for plumbing and around the shower, any of that kind of stuff. And going and making sure all the pipes are secure, nothing's leaking for one thing. You got everything that you want in there, because once you drywall, it's too late. Good idea to take a few pictures of each wall. That way, once you're going along, if you need to reference back to see how something was, you know by referencing the pictures. Also, something I did is, because I had to strap out this entire wall here with 5/8 plywood, I decided to put in a solid piece of plywood where the towel bars will be hanging, and then that way I can screw a towel bar anywhere there, and it's going to be into wood, so be much more secure. So I added that in today while I was thinking about different things, but it looks like we pretty much got everything else. Go around, seal up any wires that you have or anything that's coming through the top plates up into a cold space. Just seal off drafts and such from giving you problems after. But it looks like I've pretty much got everything, and I'm going to be ready to start hanging some board. So let's get at that, I guess. So this will be the end of day 6 on the bathroom vlog, and I got the bathroom all drywalled and the taping all done, and started some inside corners. I need those kind of started for a video on Monday, so I just kind of got them going, so we're at different stages. This area here that isn't covered in will get curdy board on it for shower, and you'll see that in the coming days. Okay, that's the end of day 6.